going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. As you can see, this client has had a big jump across the board. I have had several people having issues with their reports being updated just like this. But as you can see, this is Smart Credit. So if you're getting false updates, there's probably a 99% chance you're using Identity IQ. With that being said, I highly recommend switching from Identity IQ to, honestly, it doesn't matter as long as it's not Identity IQ. Identity IQ is old, it is outdated, and it does not work well with updated software companies. So just wanted to show this to y'all. As you can see, it's Smart Credit. They had 18 items deleted. I went to the Smart Credit website to make sure everything matched up, and it does.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hooray!
So if anybody's interested in signing up, go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com. You can call or text me at 229-380-7837. You can also email me at everythingcredit@icloud.com. I hope y'all have a great weekend.